Have you ever looked at your credit card statement at the end of the month and wondered, where did all my money go? Or maybe you're trying to save up for something big, but your spending just seems to get away from you. It's a common problem, and it can feel like a guessing game trying to figure out your own habits. But what if you didn't have to guess? What if you had a clear, easy-to-read map of every single dollar you spent, broken down by category, merchant, and even daily trends? That's exactly what Rocket Money does for your credit card spending. Today, we're diving into how to use Rocket Money to not just track, but truly understand where your money is going, helping you take control of your finances. Now, you've probably heard of budgeting apps before, but Rocket Money takes it a step further. It connects directly to your credit card accounts and automatically categorizes your transactions. So, instead of manually typing in every single purchase, Rocket Money does the heavy lifting for you. When you open the app, you'll see a dashboard that gives you a high-level overview of your spending. But the real magic is in the details. You can tap into your credit card accounts and see a list of every transaction. Rocket Money's smart categorization means you can see exactly how much you're spending on dining out, groceries, shopping, and entertainment. This is where the aha moments happen. You might think you're only spending a little on coffee, but when you see the total for the month, it can be a real eye-opener. Another powerful feature is the ability to create custom categories or correct a miscategorized transaction. Let's say you bought a gift for a friend. Rocket Money might put it under shopping, but you can easily change it to a gifts category to keep your spending even more organized. This level of customization ensures the data is truly relevant to your life. Beyond just tracking, Rocket Money gives you insights. It can show you your spending trends over time, helping you spot patterns. Are you spending more in the third week of the month? Do your food costs spike on weekends? These insights are gold because they help you identify areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived. It turns the chore of budgeting into an empowering game of strategy. You can also set up spending limits for different categories. If your goal is to spend less than $200 on dining out next month, Rocket Money can help you stay accountable by sending you alerts as you get close to your limit. This is about being proactive, not reactive, with your money. So, if you're tired of the credit card spending guessing game and you're ready to get a clear picture of your financial habits, give Rocket Money a try. It's a simple tool that can make a massive difference in helping you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.